Want to learn how to take $5,000 and turn it into $25,000? Let me show you on the inside of this home. Well, here's how you do it. Now we're at a property that's located in Woodridge, Illinois. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's a raised ranch, so we had 1 bathroom upstairs. And what we did notice is as we're going through doing our comparable sales, homes that had 2 baths were worth around $30,000 more than the homes that only had 1 bath. So we decided to make a judgment call, and we spent $5,000 on this bathroom here, which has a shower, a toilet, a sink, and it's very, very small in size. But the value alone by just having another bathroom is going to be about $30,000 more than a home that doesn't have it. So to spend the $5,000 to add this bathroom is going to be a major return for our client, and not just in dollars. It's going to be that we're going to be able to sell our property likely faster because we have the 2-bathroom count. So if there was 2 like-kind houses on the market, one with 1 bath and one with 2 baths, the other one being maybe a little bit less expensive, it's really going to be, we would likely sell faster than that other home, even be it that we may be at a higher price. Another big thing with bathroom counts, as you're going through, or a real estate agent or yourself on Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, whatever websites you're searching for properties, you're going to go in there and you can select criteria. Oh, I want 3 bedrooms. Oh, I want 2 baths. Well, the more you always have, the better it is in searching. And real estate agents do the same thing on the MLS. They start searching for properties, and what they do is they put in criteria of what their buyer wants. Well, if you're lacking something like a bathroom, you're going to be missing in those searches on Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, the multiple listing service. So what we've done here is we're going to spend $5,000 in adding an additional bathroom. Yes, it's taking up some square footage in the lower level of this home, but I'm not a tall guy by any means, and it's pretty much going from arm to arm, and I'm able to take up that little amount of space, and as a result, we're going to get a much higher dollar, likely sell this property faster by adding in this additional bath. Now, there's another little thing about bathrooms. A lot of homes, like these raised ranches here, you may see some that have a toilet and a sink, so it's a half bath. Well, what's the cost to add a shower into that bathroom that is existing there? Now, we've got to be able to have the space, but you know what? I always say with bathrooms and adding an additional shower, if there's a will, there's a way, okay? So for us, what we will do is we will go in and we will absolutely find a spot and maybe bump out outside the wall, move a few things around, and for maybe $3,500, we're able to add another shower in there. So now we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath count versus 3 bedrooms, 1.1 count, or 1.5 baths. And again, it helps you when you're searching. It gets you more dollars out of the property. It's all of those things add up by having just that simple shower in the property. So again, just a simple tip for our investors: whenever you have a property that has 1 bathroom, if there is an opportunity to add an additional bath or add an additional shower, if you already have a half bath, just do it. It's $5,000 or $5,000 or $6,000, depending on what's involved and what needs to be dug up. I can tell you, for the most part, we're on a concrete floor. We had to dig this up, run some PVC, get some copper pipes in here, run some electric. Very, very inexpensive, but the return for you as an investor is absolutely huge. And I encourage our investors to do exactly this when the opportunity presents itself. And I think a big thing is ask your renovation contractor as you're going through, hey, is this doable? We're working with 1.5 baths. Can we throw in a shower? Can we add an additional bath? If you ask the question, it likely would be a change order or maybe an additional cost to do it. But I can assure you one thing: if we spend money in this area, you're going to get every dollar back. And this is way better than adding additional bedrooms. If I've already got a 3-bedroom house, does a 4th bedroom really add to value? Not necessarily. I mean, there may be a $10,000 bump because of that, but not as much as a bathroom does. And so many homes in the Chicagoland market are 1 baths or 1.5 baths. And with it being this inexpensive and having our materials, our set material list, and being able to buy everything at such a low cost, it's kind of like there's a garage builder that does mass garages. We're building mass bathrooms. So it's something that's really, really cool. And I encourage you to take advantage of this. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. And always check out our website, chaseforeclosure.com. Thanks.